On the next questions, we're finding the determinant, but we can use the calculator. So I've entered my matrix into matrix A, and then I've gone back into the matrix menu and gone over to the math column, and the first option is DET, or the determinant. So that will put the determinant on the home screen, and then go back into the matrix menu and select matrix A, and then close parentheses and press enter, and we get that the determinant is equal to 24. And that is consistent with question 3, where we calculated it by hand. So we can complete 5 and 6 in a similar fashion, and you should get negative 52 for the determinant of 5 and 40 for the determinant of 6.